Model, 2016 Volkswagen Crafter CR35 2.0TDI 136PS long wheelbase, HR. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 144,852. MOT, the 12th of December 2024. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0TDI 136PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Turbo needs replacing. The engine sounds perfect, straightforward turbo replacement job. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 5,995.